Okay, let's take a look at operating split. Let's connect to a station. And let's see here. Looks like we're in FT8 mode. So let's get out of FT8 mode. CW. Okay, so here we are. We're operating CW, and let's assume there's a station that we want to work, and he's, saying up one, right? So we can see here in slice A, here's A here, slice A, or VFO A, traditional. All you have to do is click on this split menu here and say up one, right? Or whatever they tell you, if they're up one, up two, whatever. So up one, you'll see we get a second slice, a slice B, and we can see automatically that the slice B gets the TX flag set automatically for you, right? Okay, so very simple. If we remove the slice back to one slice, you can see the TX flag has been changed back to A. And again, if we say split, up one, slice B, TX on the second slice. Now, sometimes you may find that you'll connect to a station, and let's do this. I'll disconnect. And I left two slices there. So when you reconnect and you have two slices, what you're going to notice is slice A has a TX slice. And this can bite you sometimes, because if you're trying to work a DX station as a big pile up and you just connect to a station and you see there's two VFOs already there and you start transmitting, you're going to be transmitting on top of the DX station's calling frequency, right? And that's a bad thing. So you just want to double check when you connect to a station that if there's two VFOs, make sure you just click this TX badge over here for slice B. Or you can simply just say remove and do the split game, and it'll reset it to slice B. Okay? Hope that helps.